Okay, let's cut across to the management of Oberoi Realty on their numbers.
For the announcement of our Q1 FY13 results. On the numbers front, we have achieved a consolidated revenue of 230.79 crores for this quarter, as against the top line of 215.07 crores for Q1 FY12, a growth of about 7%. The consolidated profit before tax for Q1 FY13 is 137.62 crores, as against 137.36 crores for Q1 of FY12. And the consolidated PAT for Q1 FY13 is at about 100.8 crores as against 105.77 crores, which is a decline of about 5%. Just to take you through some of the numbers, our total revenue recognition from our residential properties stands at about 137 crores. The mall and the office rental assets contributed about 31 odd crores to the top line. The Westin Mumbai Garden City, which is the hospitality component, contributed about 22 crores to the top line. The rest of the 38 odd crores is made up from our other income and the property management services. All in all, we sold about 1.25 lakh square feet during this quarter, which had a sale value of about 200 crores. The order book as of 30th June 2012 stands at 1780 crores, at about 1580 crores versus 1280 crores, which was the position in the same quarter last year. With this, we leave the floor open to questions, if there are any questions. The margins are, if I can say, more or less the same. If we look at it, there were certain, on the rental assets, our margins remain at about the 95%, 96% gross margins which are there in that asset. In the residential properties, our margins have come down slightly from about 58 odd percent to about 55 odd percent. This reflects basically on account of two things. One is the sale mix. So different projects have different contributions to.
Okay, so that was Saumil Daru, the CFO of Oberoi Realty, enumerating greater details and finer details of the number. The Canton factor really not responding well at all. It's low by close to 2% as we speak. But they did talk about how they've managed to sell about 1.25 lakh square feet of floor space this year, and not just that, the order book is at 1580 crores right now. But we've also in the meantime have had numbers of a geometric software which have